Lucas, what did you say?
And subscribe more.
And subscribe more.
Like, you sing it.
Mommy will sing it.
Okay.
And just add another element of interest to your project.
I sing it again.
Front side versus the
That.
Ryder, can you wait, honey?
No, I will that.
Or, as I mentioned previously, you could flip the shirt over and add some dye there as well.
My yarn.
Yes, honey, there's my yarn. And I want to just give a even closer look at this speckled effect.
My yarn, look.
Don't.
This yarn.
Yeah, that's mommy.
Well, this yarn. I move back.
Where are you going?
I move.
Okay, but don't touch it.
Okay, so that is this.
Right. So what did you want mommy to do?
I sing it.
Okay, mommy will sing it.
Sing it again.
Thank you so much for watching.
Sing it again, song.
What I'm saying right now?
No, singing last time song.
Last time song? So what? Thank you for watching?
Yeah, I sing.
What do you want me to sing?
Things.
You want me to say? You want me to talk more ChemKnits stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. So what should I say?
The monkeys.
The monkeys.
Yeah.
Thank you from ChemKnits. There are the monkeys.
No. I sing roses.
What?
I sing roses.
Okay, you sing it.
Oh, you sing it.
Oh. Thank you so much for watching. And this is trying to film a tutorial with a 2-year-old.
And roses. And sing roses.
And sing what?
Roses.
Horsies?
Yeah.
Nay!
No, you sing it roses. Right? I went down.
Oh, and what does mommy dye on her channel? Ryder, what does mama do?
I got poo-poo.
Oh, you got a boo-boo?
Yeah.
Okay, can you say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.